Small conventional lathe. This series lathe machine is suitable for internal and external turning, tapering and other rotating faces, metric, module and inch threads, as well as drilling and pull oil slot. Width of bed is bigger than normal lathe machine, with high hardness on guideway. The guideway is through high frequency quenching, wear resisting. This machine is easy to operate, with rapid device for carriage, designed with single hand wheel to operate. Spindle bore diameter 552, Phi 80, Phi 104 mm. Use high quality accessories, more convenient after sales. The strength and rigidity of machine is higher than normal lathe machine. High efficiency, suitable for heavy duty machining. DRO quick change tool post, grinding attachment, milling power head, rotary tailstock, motorized tailstock are for option. If you are interested, please contact us as soon as possible.